In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Big Cartel logo from your website in just a couple of minutes. Let's jump straight in and get your store looking clean and completely branded to you. Start by opening your browser and searching for Big Cartel. Once you're on the official website, log into your account using your usual credentials. After logging in, make your way to your account settings. Depending on your layout, this may appear at the top of the page or inside a small menu on the side. Inside your settings, look for the Shop Design section. This is where you control the overall appearance of your store. Select the option that takes you to the Shop Designer. Here you'll find all the tools you need to customize the layout, colors, and navigation of your site. Scroll down until you spot the logo settings. This is where you can remove the Big Cartel logo from both your footer and your menus. Keep in mind that this option is only available on paid plans. If you are using the free plan, the hide logo feature will stay locked until you upgrade. Take a moment to decide if upgrading fits your needs. If your plan supports it, simply select the option to hide the Big Cartel logo. Once you've made the change, make sure to publish your updates so everything is saved and applied to your live site. And that's it. Your Big Cartel store now has a cleaner, more professional look without the default branding. If this was helpful, feel free to subscribe for more quick tutorials.